Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to IsiZulu with the Queen. Today I want us to practice the click sounds. We have three click sounds, which are that's the C, and then we have that's the Q, and then the X is pronounced. Okay, let's go to the C. So C is an example of words that we use is tula and tima. Tula as in like sing. If I say hey bo, tula, I'm saying sing. Tula. Tima as in like switch off. If I say tima ilaiti, switch off the light. Tima. Then the next sound is Q. The Q in Zulu we say it's like a champagne sound. An example of the words we use is abula. Abula. Abula means to kiss. And then another one is ala. Ala. Umama qabulas her baby. And then the student has already qala to do their work. The students, the serious students, you know how they qala when after getting the instructions from Mutisha, they qala doing what the teacher said they must do. Okay, and then the next one, which is our last one for today, is for uba. Uba. Uba basically means brush your teeth. Uba. And then another word we can use is ixoxo. Ixoxo, which is a frog. Those are the click sounds for today. Ngiyabonga, I will see you next time.